Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me at a BP station because today we're riding with the Essex Biker Meetup Group once again. We're off to the Bungalow Diner today. Funnily enough, I did a video going to this place practically exactly a year ago, so yeah, it should be good. The food there's pretty good. If I remember correctly, the roads are nice. It's all country stuff, but we'll see if memory serves me well. Yeah, I'm not here with anyone I know, but I've bumped into a few people I know actually here, if that makes sense. I didn't plan to come with someone, basically. Yeah, I'm saying a lot. That is pretty standard for me. So I'll roll the intro, and then it'll either cut to me leaving with everyone, or I might do a little montage of people rolling up. I'm not sure yet, because I'll probably do an actual look at what's here when we get to the diner. So yeah, run on the intro, and then we'll see what happens next. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to make a move. Sorry. Just kicked someone's bike. Oh, what a start. Speaking of bikes, let's turn mine on. Might put these on as well, just low setting. Cool. So my bag zipped up. Cheers. This is Charlie. I know this man. So a few faces I recognise. So it has been a while since I've been on a ride with this group. Right, I'm going to probably hang closer to the back. That is my plan. I reckon it's going to take us about an hour because we won't be going direct, because direct would just be jump on the A12 and that's a bit boring. So it'll be all nice twisty country bendy roads. There we go. So typically it's, yeah, row 2. Where's Charlie? Charlie's behind me. I also recognise 2 people, Max and Maria, I believe it was, but they're putting me on the back. Max is actually someone I met through this group. So they're all quite a friendly bunch. This guy's going to want to get out, I know. Charlie's not going to try and cut into the middle of the group, right? I hope not. Lovely jubbly. And it begins. Right, so this should be a good one. I hope the weather's looking pretty decent. I will, oh, okay, there's 2 people there on a dirt bike with no helmets. But yeah, this should be a good one. So, let the montage begin. It's so cool seeing all the bikes in front and then looking behind and seeing even more. Right. Sweet. Cool. Right, let's go get some food. Right, so we have arrived. This is the, for those who don't know, as I said earlier, the Bungalow Diner in Marks Tey. Basically, American food place. I believe everything's done fresh. Breakfast, burger, pizza, hot dog, milkshake, dessert, licensed. They do burritos as well. Oh, there's Charlotte. How did you find it?
Yeah, it was alright. Not too bad, not too bad.
You liking the new bike?
Loving the new bike.
Where are you? I think you're just in front of me, ain't you?
Yeah.
Cool. What'd you get?
Nothing, just got a beer.
Oh, fair enough.
I saw a beer and I thought, yeah.
That'll do. Right, so let's go and have a look at what's here. Right, so we'll start by the side of the car park. We'll go along, and obviously most of us are parked in the middle, myself included, and then there's a few at the back over there. So, starting off, we have a Benelli TRK 502, I believe it's called. This is Max's bike. Then we have a GSX S1000, a Street Tool 765 RS, so basically the newer version of mine. A KTM Super Duke, I'm going to guess it's a 1290. A Aprilia Tuono V4. And if we go down here, a S1000 RR, very nice. And a ZX10R. And then starting over here, we've got another Tuono V4. That's a WR. Don't know what CC that is, it's definitely bigger than a 125. Nice R7. Just gonna up the ISO real quick. Cool. Yeah, that'll do. CBR 1000. Multistrada V2. Tracer 900 GT. Nice Hornet 1000. Tiger 1200. Another GSXS 1000. Oh, yeah, sorry, that's a GSX F, that one over there. So F, don't know why the filming just stopped, but we've got an XRS 1000. I believe I've said that the right way around, but I might have not. Coming round, oh, there's a few over there as well, so we're going to have a look at those. Come around here, I think these three were already here before we rocked up. We've got, what's that, 09 SP, an MV Agusta, an RS V4, very nice, that's a factory as well. An old Ninja. I can't remember, I don't know my old bikes that well, so I do apologise for getting that wrong. Another MT-09 there. Coming in through here, obviously there's my bike. And up the ISO again. Oh god, ZR1400? That's definitely a 1400. Come through here, we'll come through here real quick. Got a Z1000 SX there, or it might be an 1100. A MT-09 SP, that's Charlie's bike. Got a 790? I think it is. It's a Duke, I believe it's a 790. Around here. Ninja 400 and an SV650S. Another Triumph Tiger. Don't know what CC that one is. I can't see the other side. That is a BMW F800 GT, if I'm correct. That's a Z. Which one is it? Can't see where it says, so it's either an 8 or it might be 1000 to be fair. It's a big Z. That's an old Hornet. I guess 600, I could be wrong. That's a brand new CBR 650R. GS6000. That is an old Kawasaki Versys. And that is a V-Strom. I don't know if they would say anything or not. I don't know if I wanted to be featured. Super Sport 950S right here. And next to that is a GSX 650F. Card decided to conk out again, but we've got a Ducati 800. I say card, the camera conked out because the card apparently was slow. Don't ask me why. There's obviously the restaurant again. That I'm gonna guess is a Z650. It is. I don't know if all these will be here before us or not. That's another GSX S1000, Yamaha R1M, Z1000 SX, CB1000R. Oh, and this is the old Honda retro things. What are these called? CB1100. Cool. So yeah, that's everything here. Once again, this is the Essex Biker Ride-Up group on Facebook. I'll link it obviously in the description. And with that, I guess it's time to wait for my food. I'm just sat over there.
A few minutes later.
Food has arrived. That looks incredible. Cheesy goodness. And then Coke. Right, so let's see what this tastes like. I'm actually, to be fair, quite happy with how quickly he got here. I was halfway over there filming and my name got called. I was like, oh shit, that's me. But yeah, I remember the first time I came here, it did take a while, but everything I believe is done fresh, and I was one of the last to order, so, you know, I can't really argue with it as long as it's good, and that looks good, so yeah, let's see how it tastes. I'm gonna try something new, food review on camera. I've not done this before. Cheers. That's bloody good. Yeah, that's good. Very strong cheese, I guess you would say. There's a bite behind me. Yeah, this is a good pizza. I think it was £9 something for the pizza, and then I don't know how much Coke was. If it was like 13 quid in total, so I ain't gonna complain. It's a 12-inch, I think. I'll put the correct price up on the screen so I can check the menu online. But yeah, this is good pizza. Right, so that's it. It's time to go. Food was great. Ride was great. It's always great riding with this group, and yeah, this place has always been great. This is my third time being here, but it's still brilliant. That pizza was so nice. Yeah, I did try doing some B-roll, but halfway through my food came out, and by the time I was done chatting to everyone, such as this gentleman here, it was dark, so I don't think I'll put it in, but I might do. Anyway, let's go. I got about an hour ride home. Fair enough. Let's go. Ah, I put Waze on and then turned my screen off. Brilliant. But yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed it. Yep, I'll put the link to the group I rode with in the description below and the location of the Bungalow Diner. Hopefully we'll be out riding with this group more this year. I hope you all enjoyed, and ta-ta!